Hi, we're Joost and Miriam and currently doing a cruise on the Mediterranean Sea. We started our cruise in Bari and from there we sailed to Athens, Izmir and Istanbul. We're now on our way back with one last stop to go, the Greek island of Corfu.
We just had a very nice night of sleep and suddenly the weather's totally different and we're in a new place. It's funny how that works. Apparently we're in Corfu now. It's a bit of a wait before we can get off, but that was intense. Getting everybody off the ship that wants to go off the ship. We had to stand in a long line and wind our way through the whole ship before we were allowed to get off. And now we're in Corfu. Beautiful. We're gonna try to see if we run into a scooter rental. And if we don't, we're just gonna walk to the city. There are shuttle buses, but they cost 10 euros. Looks like it's a bit over a kilometer. So we're thinking of walking. Maybe we take a taxi on the way back. I'd rather spend 10 euros on a taxi than on a shuttle bus. We're not alone today. Our ship found a friend. We found a normal bus right outside the terminal.
€2 a person to get to the city center.
We would have walked otherwise, but...
Yeah, it's about a 20-minute walk. Would have also been fine, but...
The bus was waiting anyway. Well, first impressions. Looks charming, this town.
Something smells good.
Mm.
Cute.
Oh yeah. We found the touristy street. We tried so hard to avoid it, but we found it anyway.
It's beautiful though. All the pillars.
Miriam found a map in our bag. I don't know where she got it from. Where'd you get it?
From the port, they were all over the place. I just took one.
Whoa.
I thought it'd be handy.
And it says Old Fortress on it, and there's a new fortress. And we're headed for the Old Fortress anyway, so we're gonna check it out. Yeah, this is the last Venetian general who tried to protect this island, or who managed to protect this island from the Ottoman invasion in the 18th century. Any invader could just take one of these boats and get to the other side, so I'm not really convinced. But and then they're on this side.
There's still a big wall. Can't climb that one.
The old fortress dates back from the 6th century and has been occupied by the Italians, French, English and Greek. When you enter, there's a small museum with interesting artifacts, and afterwards you can walk into the fortress itself.
It's so weird to see a fortress next to a temple from the ancient Greeks or whatever it was built. Such different styles.
This is a weird building. Looks like just a normal building, and then they put some of these pillars in front of it. Whatever floats your boat.
Wow.
We have a bit of a problem. We're here, but we want to go there. How do we get there? almost at the top of the fortress. So far not enough stairs this vacation.
I was missing out on them. Well, this covered it.
Almost there now.
Whoa.
I guess this trench is for the bikes.
All jokes aside, we do have them in the Netherlands like that.
And we made it. Good. And from up here we can see the old town of Corfu and our ship with its friends. One of these places must be Albania, and there's mainland Greece should be visible as well. I don't know where the border is.
I get why Greece is so popular. Look at this view. The clear sea, astonishing views with beautiful islands on the horizon and such great weather. It's so great to just get off the ship and walk right into the charming town and into the historic sites. We've only been here for an hour and already saw so much.
This fortress scored pretty high on the pirates adventure scale. Yeah, pretty nice. It's very windy up there. And then your entry, which I think is a bit much for what you get. Oh well. There's a nice garden next to the fortress. Looks like Miriam is buying some new earrings. It's going to be an expensive visit. How much did you pay for that small bag?
A bit.
Miriam bought an ice cream or a crepe with ice cream. How is it?
Amazing.
We're headed back to the ship. It's a very small town, lots of nice touristy shops, and now we're just heading back. We didn't have that much time here, unfortunately. Plenty of time to see the town, but not nearly enough time to see the island, the rest of the island. We've just received this letter. I don't think you can read it, or maybe you can. And they say expected arrival time 8:30 p.m. Sailing at a lower speed while our engine team works to solve the issue. Blah blah. I see that the mooring team are standing by over there. Hey, they're casting off the lines. So we're definitely leaving. Yep. We're definitely leaving. We're on our way. We actually departed last night. And we're sailing at a very reduced speed. I think like 10 kilometers an hour. One thing they did do correctly though so far is they communicated, or the captain communicated once, and that information was at least so far correct that we had a technical problem and that we would arrive 8:30 in the evening instead of in the morning. And we've just asked if we would be able to get free Wi-Fi. And that was already planned, so they're gonna hand out free Wi-Fi passes for everyone in like an hour. Still not sure what's actually wrong with the ship. I have one theory, but we will check that in a second. I'm thinking maybe one of the propellers is broken, so they're only using one of the Azipod engines. We're at the rear of the ship, and it's clear to see that only one propeller is running. Don't know what's wrong with the other propeller, but it's only one. And a new friend. There's a tug following us. I guess in case this last propeller also fails. Oh, we finally disembarked. It's a little past 11 in the evening. We should have arrived at 8 this morning, but we're here. How are you, Miriam?
A bit tired, but okay.
Ice cream is still open.
We're back at our favorite ice cream shop at 11:30. There's a huge queue, so we're gonna pass on this one.
The gelato place was too busy, but we did find a pork roast shop. Apparently very popular. So now we're gonna try this. That was quick.
It's the banh mi of Italy.
It looks like this on the inside. We have one and we share.
This is amazing. Oh my god.
Really good.
We're here. Whoa. I would have loved to chill out here for a full day.
Can walk around the table.
Oh my god.
Can walk around. It's over here.
Wow. I hope a bed, because I'm pretty tired. Whoa. Whoa.
I can stretch my arms.
What? Oh, this is so great. No. Whoa. Whoa, this is super nice.
This is gigantic.
Whoa. This is so great. I'm so good at booking stuff.
We've got art.
There's art.
There's art on the wall.
And it's super clean. I love this place.
It's very clean art. We're in the old town again. And there's one more thing we need to do before we leave Italy. Can you guess what it is?
How do you feel now, Joost?
Hurts. I'm in pain. I'm till out over it.
Time to go home.
We found a cute little street with a cat. From now on, this is going to be a cat vlog. We'll only be filming cats without any commentary.
Not a cat.
Not a cat.
Oh.